Welcome to TradeAllCrypto, a safe and secure trading platform. Discover the endless possibilities of trading cryptocurrencies. TradeAllCrypto platform, the easiest way to earn money on the cryptocurrency exchange market. The platform has English, German, and Russian site version. TradeAllCrypto can operate several platforms in order to ensure that traders can trade anytime anywhere. Whether you want to trade from your computer or phone. There are several types of accounts presented. Be sure to check your risk management before trading. TradeAllCrypto is an innovative cryptocurrency broker. We operate the modern trading platform that meets all appropriate criteria and is designed for traders and investors who demand comfortable work and profitable trading. TradeAllCrypto was founded by the international financial holding company TradeAllCrypto. Our mission: high exchange rate volatility gives traders an excellent opportunity to gain profits in the cryptocurrency market. Our goal is to become a reliable and up-to-date cryptocurrency broker available to everyone. What makes us different? Functional and user-friendly trading platform, which has already become a true helper for both beginners and experienced traders. Simplified conditions for both depositing and withdrawals of cryptocurrency. No monthly fee or any extra commission for operations. A strong team of competent and energetic traders who became around-the-clock technical support for our clients. Uninterrupted operation of servers and the maximum data protection with the help of 27 skilled technical specialists. Online platform of TradeAllCrypto. One of the most important components of a trader's success is the selection of a trading platform for work. Trade comfortably with the X-Critical online platform, an advanced trading terminal with maximum functionality. The X-Critical online platform is a leading product of modern developers, thanks to stable and fast work, as well as a user-friendly interface. The platform is suitable for traders of any level, from beginners to professionals. TradeAllCrypto platform, the easiest way to earn money on the cryptocurrency exchange market. Be sure to check your risk management before trading. Risk disclosure policy. TradeAllCrypto provides access to a range of trading products including complex derivative products that are traded on margin. Trading derivative products carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Before trading complex derivative products such as CFDs and FX, you should consider whether you fully understand how they work, and the risks involved, and seek independent financial advice if necessary. You should also ensure that you have adequate financial resources to bear such risks. You should not invest money that you cannot afford to lose. Leverage trading. CFDs and margin FX contracts are leveraged products, meaning they require an initial deposit or margin to be deposited up front in order for a position to be opened. The margin represents a small deposit of the overall value of your position. The minimum amount of margin required to open a trade will typically depend upon the underlying instrument you are trading in. Leverage enables you to gain large exposure to a financial market whilst only putting up a relatively small amount of your capital. This effectively magnifies the scope for gains but also losses. Whilst leverage can work in your favor, it can also work against you. Small movements in the market could lead to a proportionately much larger movement in the value of your investment. There is a high risk of losing money rapidly should these small movements go against your positions. It is advised that risk mitigating tools such automatic stop losses are applied to positions to minimize potential losses. CFDs are complex instruments and come with a high risk of losing money rapidly due to leverage. 70% of retail investor accounts lose money when trading CFDs with this provider. You should consider whether you understand how CFDs work, and whether you can afford to take the high risk of losing your money. Cryptocurrency CFDs. Trading in cryptocurrency CFDs involves significant risks. In addition to the general risks associated with transactions in CFDs, cryptocurrencies are virtual currencies which are not issued or backed by a central bank or government. They can experience significant price volatility, which in combination with leverage, can place a significant risk of loss to your capital. You should be aware of the risks involved and fully consider whether investing in cryptocurrency CFDs is appropriate for you. Past and future performance. Past performance of any investment is not a guarantee of future results. The value of investments can fall as well as rise, and you could get back less money than initially invested. Similarly, any forecasts provided from analytical estimations of financial market situations should not be seen as a reliable indicator of future performance. Foreign exchange. Transactions in foreign exchange contracts carry a high degree of risk, and may not be suitable for all investors. The gearing or leverage often obtainable in foreign exchange trading means that a relatively small movement in the market can result in a proportionately larger movement in the value of your investment. Before deciding to trade foreign exchange, you should carefully consider whether you have the appropriate level of experience and risk appetite. You could sustain losses of some or all of your initial investment, and therefore you should not invest more money than you can afford to lose. Futures. Transactions in futures involve the obligation to make, or to take delivery of the underlying asset of the contract at a future date, or in some cases to settle your position with cash. They carry a high degree of risk. The gearing or leverage often obtainable in futures trading means that a small deposit or down payment can lead to large losses as well as gains. It also means that a relatively small movement in the market can lead to a proportionately much larger movement in the value of your investment, and this can work against you as well as in your favor. Options. There are many different types of options with different characteristics subject to different conditions. Buy option involves less risk than selling options because, if the price of the underlying asset moves against you, you can simply allow the option to lapse. The maximum loss is limited to the premium, plus any commission or other transaction charges. Put option, the risk involved is considerably greater than buy options. You may be liable for margin to maintain your position, and a loss may be sustained well in excess of any premium received. By writing an option, you accept a legal obligation to purchase or sell the underlying asset if the option is exercised against you, however far the market price has moved away from the exercise price. If you do not own the underlying asset, known as uncovered call options, the risk can be unlimited. Only experienced persons should contemplate writing uncovered options, and then only. Anti-money laundering in TradeAllCrypto. As an international CFD cryptocurrencies broker providing financial services, is obliged to adhere to anti-money laundering (AML) policies with due diligence. Complies with the international anti-money laundering laws and regulations, and maintains a strong and aggressive stance to prevent illicit money laundering activities. Our stringent policies and procedures were implemented to detect, prevent, and report money laundering and any other suspicious activities. How is money laundering defined? When criminals attempt to relocate their illicit funds by transferring them to a lawful financial system without arousing any legal attention, this constitutes money laundering. Once a criminal or terrorist person transfers their funds into legitimate financial systems, they can then transfer them between banks or financial products to use in illegal activities, purchase goods and services, or even fund terrorism. TradeAllCrypto will report any attempt by an individual or business to conceal the origin and ownership of the proceeds of illegal activities, including fraud, theft, illegal gambling, drug trafficking, and other activities. Do you need to prove the identity before opening a Forex trading account? To prevent money laundering, officials request that all of TradeAllCrypto customers provide supporting documentation for proof of identity and the origin of their funds before trading Forex with us. We place great emphasis on verifying the identity of our customers and determining that their funds are derived from a legal origin before opening an Forex trading account or making a deposit. As part of this policy, you will be required to provide legal documentation to verify your name, personal details, and location. The company requires the following documentation as proof of identity: a copy of your passport or ID, front and back. A copy of all credit cards used to make a deposit, front and back. Please note that only the first 6 and the last 4 digits on the front of the credit card must be visible, along with the expiry date and full name. You are welcome to hide the rest of the numbers on the front and the CVV number on the back. A bank statement, RIB. A full utility bill with your first and last name, as well as your address. Please provide us with the entire document. On the customer agreement, you will be required to clearly indicate the beneficiary name. The account beneficiary must match the name on your customer agreement form. Any funds you wish to withdraw must be to the same account number and beneficiary name. Thank you for your time in the review of TradeAllCrypto. TradeAllCrypto platform, the easiest way to earn money on the cryptocurrency exchange market.